On the one hand, I was impressed with what the discussion on the digital payments and how much that really is an issue here, and that there is an effort to really broaden digital payments. And I hadn't thought about how for the SMEs there's a lot of opportunity there. There was a quote by one of the participants that about 150,000 SMEs, only about 20,000 presently are using digital transactions, so there's a huge opportunity there. And then there was also sort of a fascinating conversation about the presumption that some of these small businesses like taxi drivers, little shop owners, dalpuri vendors, they wouldn't necessarily want to make this transaction because they may be feeling it's too complicated, too cumbersome. But the reality is that they really want access to digital transactions because it does make their lives easier. It's more, they don't have to worry about cash. They don't have to. It's more risk-free. So there's a lot of reasons why a small business would actually want to do this. So for me, that was a real education. On the public policy side, I think it was helpful to re-emphasize to business that that dialogue is important. Again, I think one of the commentators noted how we can sometimes be siloed, where you have conversations within the private sector about issues and you have conversations within the public sector. But by bringing those together, it's very important to have that dialogue, because not only can the public sector understand what are the needs, requirements of the private sector can understand how they can shape and influence the public policy. So those were a couple of things I picked up from today's conference. I was very happy to be part of the discussion, and I think it's a really valuable experience for me, and I think also for the participants.